This 2021 Keystone Cougar half-ton 3.4 TSB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 37 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, skylight, self-contained, water heater, TV antenna, smoke detector, external shower, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Cougar half-ton 3.4 TSB is 8,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.